Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great day. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I recently made a video on how to use Janitor AI for free using the OpenAI reverse proxy, okay? And since then I've been getting messages from people saying it doesn't work, though some said it worked but some said it didn't. And this is because the OpenAI server is often overloaded. So because of this, I have decided to make this new tutorial. In this method, we're going to be using Kobold AI instead of OpenAI. So please, I advise you watch this video till the end without skipping it so that you will see how this is done step by step. And I promise you, regardless of where you are, whenever it is that you want to use this method is perfectly working 100% as long as you listen to the things I'm showing you in this video and you do not skip it and watch it till the end. Okay, so I'm not going to waste much of your time. As you can see, I'm currently chatting with it and it is replying me. So I'm going to be showing you how I did this step by step, and at the end of this video, you can try it by yourself and see, and you're going to be glad that it worked. So without wasting much of your time, let us get to the video. So welcome back everyone. So I'm going to make this very short, okay? So I'm in the Janitor AI homepage now, of course. So you're going to select any of the characters you want to chat with, okay? As for me, I already have this character I used in the previous tutorial, which is the female vampire. So you're going to click on the API settings, and instead of OpenAI, this time you're going to be clicking on Kobold AI, okay? So now that you've clicked on Kobold AI, make sure you keep the tab open, and you're going to open your search bar in a new tab, and you're going to search for Kobold Google Lab, okay? Now once the search result has opened, you're going to notice two options, okay? The first one is the Collab Kobold CPU and the second is the Collab Kobold GPU, okay? You can select any of these two results that you wish to use, but as for me and as for this video, I'm going to be using the Collab Kobold CPU, and I'm going to advise you to do the same, okay? But the method is pretty the same for both the TPU and the GPU, okay? So once the page has loaded up, okay, I advise you use Google Chrome for this. But if you're not using Google Chrome, regardless of the browser you are using, locate desktop site option and click on that. So in Google Chrome, you have to click on the three dot icon and you're going to click on desktop site. So this the page is going to be showing in the desktop site view, okay? So now that you have done that, you're going to scroll down and you're going to locate this tab this if you play on mobile, which means tab this if you're using a smartphone, whether it is Android or an iPhone, okay? So you're going to receive this warning. Just click on run anyway, and what you're going to see is an audio file, okay? So the purpose of playing this audio, as you can see, it is a 10-hour audio file. It is a silent audio file, okay? It is not playing, but the purpose of playing it is so that this particular page can keep running in the background so that it doesn't crash when you're using your Kobold AI. I hope you understand now. So this audio is going to keep this page active. As long as this audio is still playing, then your server is on, okay? So after this, now you're going to come here and click on this, then you're going to select the model you want to use. Okay, I'm going to advise you to use the Janeway 13B model. Janeway 13B model, okay? So you're going to be selecting that, and the version you're going to be using, okay? In the version option is the United version, not the official version, okay? So you're going to clear official, and once the option comes out, you're going to click on United, okay? And then we're going to just pretty much leave the provider as Cloudflare, okay? We're going to be using Cloudflare as our host, and you can choose to back up your information in Google Drive, and you can choose not to back it up. As for me, I'm choosing not to back it up. After you've done this, the next thing you're going to do now is you're going to click on this play button icon right here, okay? And that is going to launch the Kobold AI server. So as for me, it took me about 25 minutes before this thing finished loading, okay? So you're going to be patient. So you're going to wait for this thing to load, okay? So you're going to be asked to fill a captcha, of course. So you're going to fill that captcha correctly. As you can see, it told me to recognize motorcycle, so I just clicked on the motorcycle image and then I clicked on verify, and the Kobold AI loaded, and it took a total of 25 minutes from me before the server started, okay? As you can see right there executing, it says 26 minutes, but it took 25 minutes before the server started. So you should expect to be patient for the server to load. Okay, so now once the server has finished loading and it has been launched, you're going to notice 4 links given to you. Okay, so the fourth link is the API link. Okay, as you can see there, the fourth link is the API link. That is the link you're going to copy. So you're going to copy this link address. Okay, and you're going to make sure that this tab is opened and the music is running so that it doesn't close. Okay, and now that you've copied the link address, you're now going to head back to your Janitor AI. And if you're noticing below, I made sure that the Janitor AI and the Kobold AI tab is in the same group, and the reason why I did that is so that I can be able to navigate through these two tabs easily. Okay, so you're going to paste that link in the Kobold AI API URL, and then you're going to click on Save Settings, and you're going to receive the notification that you're about to change your API. Of course, you're going to click on OK. Okay, you're going to click on OK, and now you're going to notice that it is going to change to using Kobold. Okay, your tab is going to be showing that you're using Kobold, and now you can now chat with your your character and even create a character of your own. And I promise you that this method is working perfectly fine as long as that tab doesn't close. All right, so this is just a video of me chatting with the female vampire, and the thing is working. So right there, as you can see, it says you must be new here, what are you doing out this late? Choking on you, baby. Oh god, so that is it. Okay, so you can now continue chatting, but the most important part is still in the ending of this video, so don't skip. Make sure you watch this video till the end before trying this out. All right, so I'm just going to play more of this video so that you can see that it is real and I am chatting with the character. So I'm going to pause the recording now, and I'm going to fast forward to the ending part. All right, which is the important part I told you about. So now it is important to note these things that I'm telling you now, and the first thing is to note that Google will occasionally show a captcha here. Okay, Google will occasionally show a captcha within 30 minutes range. Okay, so if you notice that your character is slow in response, or it is lagging, come back to this tab and just verify the captcha, and then you can go back to chatting with your with your character. And then another thing to note is, if you're finished chatting with the character, all right, so let us say you're done chatting with the character, you're going to come back here and you're going to click on manage sessions. Okay, after clicking on manage session, you're going to close this session by clicking on the delete icon right there, and you're going to terminate this session. So this is how you terminate the session, and if you want to use it again, you can just come back, click on that play button, and the session is going to continue. So this is how you use Janitor AI for free using the Kobold AI method. And if you follow this video and followed all of the method as I showed you, this video should work for you 100%. And if this method has helped you, please make sure you share this video, hit the subscribe button, and turn on your bell notifications to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Goodbye for now.